Isa nga pong nakakalungkot na balita ang bumulaga sa buong Pilipinas sa pagkamatay nitong vlogger na si Eman Nimedes. Namatay nga po siya dahil nga po sa leukemia at kinonfirm po yan ng kanyang pamilya. Sabi nga dito sa news, popular vlogger Eman Nimedes passed away before dawn on Sunday after being battling acute myeloid leukemia. The news was confirmed by his girlfriend, Pichi Santos, in a post on Nimedes' official page on Facebook. Our beloved Eman Nimedes joined our creator at 1 o'clock a.m. today, August 16, 2020. Sunday, he was with his family during the time of his passing at St. Luke's Medical Center, Quezon City. Santos wrote, "Our family is thankful to everyone who offered prayers and showed support," she added. Funeral details will be announced in the next days. We hope everyone will respect the family's privacy to mourn the passing of Eman. Thank you, Santos added. So yun, napakalungkot nga po dahil itong si Eman Nimedes is isa po sa mga iniidolo ng karamihan, Sa galing niya nga pong gumawa ng mga videos, sa galing niya pong mag-acting, nakakalungkot po na nawala ang isang Eman Nimedes